Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 267. The directory name is invalid error directory on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error with your USB drive, then the first workaround is change your USB port. Plugged in your drive with a different USB port and check changing USB port resolve your issue or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open this PC or my computer. Here, right click on your drive and choose properties. Here, from top menu bar, go to tools and under error checking, click on check. This will check your any disk error. If you will be asked to scan drive, then click on a scan drive, and if any problem find, you will be notified here. Close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. In device manager, go to disk driver section, expand it, right click on your disk driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Close the windows, restart your system, and your problem should be definitely be resolved.